Meaning of dexterous.
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 Dexterous. The term dexterous refers to the skillful use of hands or body movements. It implies an ability to perform tasks quickly, efficiently, and accurately. A dexterous person is able to handle delicate or complex objects with ease, and can adapt to changing situations. This skill is often associated with professions such as surgery, culinary arts, and music, where precision and accuracy are crucial. Overall, being dexterous allows individuals to accomplish tasks with finesse and competence, showcasing their expertise in a particular area.